All right, our third video is going to talk about professional development requirements. We have a few things that we need to get done at the beginning of the year. I kind of mentioned them in our shared folder. Leave request, and then our budget or slash purchase orders. So to get started here, we have three professional development requirements. First one is Cognito. We've done that in the past. I think the last 2 years we had somebody come in and give that training. This year we're going back to Cognito. There's a link right there with suicide awareness training that you can go ahead and click on and do that training. That is due before September 13th. And then we have a bloodborne pathogens training. You're going to receive an email. This is from Safe Schools on August 19th. That due date is September 13th as well. And that takes about 20 minutes to complete. And then finally, there's a sexual harassment training. You'll also, from Safe Schools, and you'll also receive that on August 19th, and it is due on September 13th as well. And that should take approximately 30 minutes. So those are three requirements that we need to make sure we get done before those due dates. Leave requests. I believe Joe did something like this last year. Basically, there's going to be two forms to fill out. There's going to be the Washington form, leave request 1920, a link is there, and then the district leave form as well. If you could do that ahead of time, we'll get an email on that Google form there, and then we can start getting ready for getting set up a sub or something. And then the other one we'll get off of the district and make sure that you're able to do that. If for some reason you feel sick at night, go ahead and text me. I'll get that in the morning, and then we can start getting set up for subs that morning. So just let myself and Mary know that ahead of time, as soon as you can. And then finally, budget and purchase orders. In the past, I know we've given you a dollar amount, specific dollar amount that you can spend. This year, we're going to do a $0 budget, which all that means it's going to open up possibly some more doors. So if you are looking for something that maybe costs a little bit more, definitely you can ask for it, and we'll see how our budget's going for the year. And so we're just not really setting an amount on anything. And then if there's items that you just say, hey, I've got this budget and I just need to spend some money, so I'm going and getting some items, then sometimes we don't always need those. But so we're going to $0 budget this year. And then our purchase orders. We're going to do purchase orders for anything that we get. So if you need some stuff at Walmart, you'll need to fill out a purchase order, just some general supplies, general dollar amount of what you're thinking, and then once we get that receipt, we can go ahead and balance everything up. I've listed the district purchase order form here on this link, so that'll help you out. When we have our staff meeting, if you have any questions on any of this stuff, please feel free to ask, or if you don't think of it then and need to come in later, that's no problem. So just a couple other items to look at before the year gets started.